The COMESA Competition Commission is a regional institution with the mandate to promote competition and protect consumers in the 21 member states of COMESA. The Commission handles cases that affect 2 or more member states. The COMESA competition regulations prohibit misleading practices, unconscionable conduct, or the supply of products that are unsafe, defective, or those that do not comply with the standards. The COMESA Competition Commission has become aware that some of the pay TV providers are involved in practices that could be violating consumer rights. Consumers have rights to accurate and complete information, a right to quality goods and services, a right to choose goods of their preference. They also have a right to redress in case they are harmed in the transaction process. Any violation of such a right is considered as a violation of consumer rights and a violation of the COMESA competition regulations. The Commission has been informed that pay TV providers are involved in misleading practices where they represent to consumers that their favorable channels are part of the packages they pay for. However, upon subscription, consumers find that their favorite channels are not part of the packages. At times, their favorite channels are switched off or blocked before the expiry of their subscriptions. Also, pay TV providers are engaged in changing prices without giving due notice to the consumers. The pay TV providers deny liability for the mistakes that are done by their technicians. In addition, the pay TV providers condition subscriptions that are based on the geographical location, meaning that when a consumer changes the location, the consumer has to subscribe again. Such conditions are considered unconscionable and a violation of Articles 28 and 29 of the regulations. The Commission has been informed that some of the pay TV providers have protected themselves with unconscionable provisions included in their terms and conditions for the consumers. The Commission calls upon the general public to report such conducts to the Commission for investigation. The public can use the following contact addresses to report such cases for investigation.